Hey, are you struggling to manage your product inventory with Square? In this quick tutorial, I will walk you through how to use Square Inventory from adding products to tracking stock and setting up alerts. This is a beginner-friendly, fast and super easy tutorial to follow. Let's dive in. First of all, you have to just go to website and search for Square Inventory. And don't get confused with Squarespace. This is a Square. Now click on it, and on the top right side corner, you have to just go and click on Get Started. I hope you have created your account. If you don't, then please fill up this information and create your account right now. I will just go here and click on dashboard. I have already signed in into my account. Now on the left hand side menu, click on items, then select item library, which is basically this item and items and services. Now click on it and this is your items. Before that, this is our dashboard. Whatever happening in your system, basically whatever happening in your store or company will show up here. Now in these item and services, here you will find items. Now here you will find a lot of options. So this is your main control center for managing inventory, right? To add a new product, simply you can just go to the item library here and click on create an item. You can even import an item, which you can find this option here. Now click on create an item and here you will find this option, which kind of item it is. So whether it's a prepared food or beverages or physical good, digital and others. So in your case, you can choose any one of them. Let's say it's a physical good. Now click on next once you have selected it. You have to fill up all this information, the name, the description, the image, right? And SKU, price, and whether the price is fixed or variable, SKU optional but helpful for tracking, stock, and here location. So you have to make sure to fill up each and every information, right? And once you have filled each and every information, just go and click on save. By the way, if you're selling it online, then here you'll find three options, which is an extra feature of Square. That is a Square Online, so you can create your e-commerce website there. This is a food, pickup and delivery, which is used in POS, and this is a Meta, right, which is Facebook, right? And once you in this way, once you've added an item, automatically that product will be shown up here. So this is really easy way to do. If you quickly want to add an item, here you can just write it. For example, if I just write here lipstick, right, and the price will be around from it's my country currency, by the way, here. And in this way you can quickly create an item. But here you just go and click on it and it will show your product, and you can edit it and you can fill up all this information later. So this is how you can do this. To update inventory, for example, let's say if you want to change listing, that is a channel listing, by the way, and here you can set up online channels. So whether you are selling on e-commerce, which is a Square e-commerce, right, and there's a Square POS, and this is a inventory management. So you can set up online channels here and you can just manage everything from here. If you're selling on Facebook, and whether if you it is a a food delivery or there's a normal delivery, right, pickup and delivery, you can just set it from here and you can manage it up. Now this is a service library and you will find keep every information here. For example, if you're selling your time, create and sell services with the duration. So for example, if you're a freelancer, or let's say if you are running a digital company or digital agency, then this service is very useful. This feature is very useful. So this is how you can do this, and you will find a lot more information here. If you want to bulk import any information or any item, simply in the item library, you will get this option of import. You can import by using CSV, a file that is an Excel file basically, and fill up all your information and just input it here, and you will find all your product here. To avoid selling out without knowing, enable low stock alert. So here, once you just go and click on here, while adding this information, you will find this option of show, add low stock alert. So when this stock will reduce, and for example, I can set it here. So it should give me alert when this stock comes very low. So I can just do the tracking here and select a reason. So here I will just go and click on stock received, or here, sorry, inventory recount, and here I can write it, right? And here you can turn this on low stock alert. So when you want, so for example, let's say you have, if you have 100 items and suddenly, not suddenly, I mean 99 got sold and the 10 is very low, and if you want to refill, say if you want the alert, then you can set it as a 10, and once it goes below 10, then automatically you will get an alert and you can refill that product, that item, right? So Square will email you automatically when you are running low, as well as you will get a notification on the dashboard. Right, lastly, check your inventory health with built-in reports. So let me show you where you can find it, which is basically this report section. Here you will get every information which is regarding sales, accounting, payments, operations, and every information. So here, this is sales summary, And here you, in the report tab, which you will find it here, you can see which is in stock, what's low, and total inventory value. Super useful for planning reorders. Here you will able to check out all these item sale and how much you have sold your product and where or from which channel, each and every information. This is accounting for the taxation, for the fees, for the, if there's a GST in your country, then obviously you will able to check it from here. So with Square Inventory, managing your stock doesn't have to be headache, right? And this is really easy. And here you can manage your stuff. If you have a team, and you can give them access, separate access, limited access for specific features, and this will help you. It will also help you to manage your employees for example, when they came and when they left, the availability, the time off, time tracking, and everything from here. Now this is online. So if you're confused about online, I've already explained the sales channels, right? Now you can manage it from here. The payments and invoice. So the payments and invoice is really important. For example, all the transactions will show up here. If anybody purchase anything, then you will able to find it here. No matter from which sales channel, you will able to see this. This is an order overview. So how many orders it shipped, it is still ready to ship, and you will get each and every information from here. If you're running any kind of subscription service based or any subscription on product, here you can create a plan for your subscription, and from here you can manage this up. So this is really easy, and I hope you found this video very useful. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more business tutorials. Thanks for watching.